In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your email headers and footers on Substack. This is a great way to ensure that every email you send out reflects your personal or brand style, offering a consistent and professional look. Let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to head over to substack.com and log into your account. If you're not already registered, you will, of course, need to create an account to get started. But for those of you who already use Substack, you should be quite familiar with this part. Once you've logged in, your main hub on Substack is your dashboard, which you can find in the upper right part of the screen. This dashboard is your command center, where you can manage all your posts, subscribers, and email settings. Now, you're going to want to direct your attention to the settings, which is crucial for what we're doing today. When you click on Settings, you will see several options appear, each relevant to different aspects of your Substack experience. For our purposes, you'll want to focus on the sidebar to your left. Among the options here, look for the one labeled Emails and go ahead and click on it. The Emails section is where you manage everything related to your email content and appearance, making it pivotal for personalizing your communication. As you explore this section, you'll notice various customization options, but today we're specifically homing in on the email header and footer. These are important because they're the first and last thing your readers see in an email, so making sure they resonate with them is key. Next up, locate the part that says Email Header and Footer. Right beside this, you'll see an Edit button, and this is where the magic happens. Clicking the Edit button opens a window where you can start customizing your headers and footers to suit your needs. Here, you'll have options to modify the layout, add images or logos, and even incorporate links to your social media or website. A handy feature if you want to increase engagement beyond the email itself. Think about what message or image best represents your brand. Maybe it's a particular color scheme, logo, or catchphrase. Whatever it is, here is where you input those elements. As you make your changes, remember to balance creativity with readability, ensuring that your text is clear and legible against your chosen background or design. Once you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to save your changes before exiting. And it's as simple as that. Going through these steps ensures that every email you send will have its unique flair, making your communications all the more memorable. Thanks for following along today, and I hope you now feel more equipped to bring a personalized touch to your Substack emails.